Hello teachers, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at editing an interactive video here in EdPuzzle. I've already selected a video, I actually borrowed this one from another teacher, which I demonstrated in the previous video, and now I'm ready to do some editing. The first thing I can edit up here at the top is the title of this video, as my students will see it when I use it with them. So maybe you just don't need quite as much information here as is listed and you just want a little bit smaller or possibly different title. Do any editing that you like there in that text box and then click to Save Title. And then we'll move on to learning how to use this cut feature, which allows us not only to drag in from the front or the back to make the video shorter, but also to add cuts in the middle of the video. So if I hover here over the bumper at the left end and I drag in, I'm cutting out this front portion of the video. And the same option is available using the bumper here at the far right. I can drag in and cut off the end of the video. If at any time I don't like what I did, I can click here to undo, and that will undo the most recent thing I did. Or I can click to reset, which will undo everything I've done in the cutting menu so far. So if I want to add a cut in the middle, maybe I don't need this question and or this portion of the video, then if I just click my mouse into the scrubber, the blue bar there, and then click to add cut, I now have more bumpers that I can drag apart to remove additional content. If you cut out something that's been added to the video, it is going to cue you, did you want to keep the part that included questions, notes, or voiceover? Or do you also want those to be deleted? And you can answer yes or no based on what you intended to do. So I'm going to click yes for the time being there. And then again, you have additional options for adding more cuts by clicking at other places in the scrubber, or again, like I mentioned earlier, undoing those cuts and or resetting your entire video. Once you're finished with that, you're welcome to move on to adding voiceovers or questions as you continue to prepare the video for your students and their instruction. We'll look at some of those features in a future video. As always, if you need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks and have a great day.